Today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Nadula Hair. Their 7x5 water wave highlight wig. This one is in the length 24 inches. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. Your parting space area, you don't get any combs on the side. You do get a comb in the back and your adjustable straps. You also get your removable adjustable elastic band. Before I try this on, I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of tint spray to the very front of the hairline. Looks like they did a really good job with bleaching the knots, but it is a little bit lighter right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. Alright, so this is what it is looking like on. I did not put a heavy amount of tint spray around the front of the hairline because I feel like once I add my mousse, then it's going to blend in fine. So you can still see like a little bit of lightness on the side, but it's blending in fine right here. And I need to actually pull that up a little bit. This fits me really, really good, y'all. I was worried because it doesn't have a drawstring in it that maybe it would be a little bit too big, but I tightened up my straps, and then I also used that adjustable strap in the back and then the comb in the nape area, which ain't holding on too much because y'all know I have a short cut, but it's actually fitting me really well. Now, as far as the sides go by my ear, I'm not noticing any bending over here, and I'm also not noticing any bending right there. It lays very flat in this area. And then, like I said, it's a 7x5, so it does go all the way across. So it's giving the frontal look without committing to a frontal. It's already pre-parted as a left side part, and the parting space is nice and open. Like, it looks very, very good, very scalp-like. Now, if you are not a fan of the left side part, move it to the middle, and then of course you can move it to the right side. All this back here that looks very scalp-like. I'm definitely gonna do a glueless install because it is fitting me so well. And I'm loving the color on this so far, so I can't wait to see what it's going to look like once I add a little bit of water. But honestly, I think you can kind of fluff this because it's looking good already. So we're gonna see what I'm gonna do to it, see what styles I can come up with. First, I'll be back to show you guys the final looks and also to tell you guys my final thoughts. I gave you guys 3 style options, which was the left side part, the middle part, and then I did this cute little half up, half down. This is not perfect. I just wanted to show you guys what you can do with it, especially with the summertime coming up. If you want to just get some really quick and easy, simple styles, then this is definitely one that is a go-to, especially because it's going to be hot. You don't want all the hair up in your face. You guys know with the pre-cut lace, they do go in and kind of scallop the lace. So on the side, I did end up cutting off just a little bit. I left the front alone. I also didn't put any lace spray right here in the front because it wasn't needed, just right here on the side. Love how they bleached the knots on this unit. They did an excellent job. The parting space is nice and open. I did not have to go in with any powder in the parting space. Even when I put it as a middle part, it just looks really good. They also did a good job with plucking out the front of the hairline. So if you're a beginner and you don't want to fool with the hairline, you're not going to have to with this unit. Like I stated, it is a 7x5, so you can move your parting space around. I did take out a little bit of hair and just swoop it over on the sides when it came to this half up, half down, and I did that because a little bit of my lace was showing, so I just wanted to camouflage it a little bit. But I wasn't heavy with it because I didn't want it to take away from the front of the hairline, the texture of the hair, and this color, because the color is absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be perfect for the summertime. I was able to get a nice ponytail. Now of course you're not going to be able to pull it up all the way because of the little track on the side, but it still looks realistic when it comes to the side. So no issues when it comes to that. Now this hair is pretty long on me because I'm only 5'2". It's 24 inches. It is a very good amount of density, so you're not gonna have to worry about it looking thin or any tracks showing. The fit on this is nice also. Like I told you guys, it's fitting me good. It could be a little bit snug, but I'm not noticing a super large amount of cap in the nape area. So far, so good. I think she's a cute one to pull out for the summertime. Let me know what you guys think about this. The highlights are really, really good. Okay, I love how as a left side part, they just kind of flowed into the front of the hair and they were placed good. Okay, they weren't these ill chunky highlights throughout the hair. They did a good job with that, so 2 thumbs up. But if you are feeling this unit, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area once again. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.